Hello kids, today we will learn magic words. Water, melon. Water plus melon makes watermelon. Door, bell. Door plus bell makes doorbell. Shoe, box. Shoe plus box makes shoebox. Earth, quake. Earth plus quake makes earthquake. Cheese, cake. Cheese plus cake makes cheesecake. Sun, shine. Sun plus shine makes sunshine. House, boat. House plus boat makes houseboat. Moon, light. Moon plus light makes moonlight. Dragon, fly. Dragon plus fly makes dragonfly. Wheel, chair. Wheel plus chair makes wheelchair. Stop, wash. Stop plus wash makes stopwatch. Eye, ball. Eye plus ball makes eyeball. Butter, fly. Butter plus fly makes butterfly. Pop, corn. Pop plus corn makes popcorn. Book, shelf. Book plus shelf makes bookshelf. Rain, bow. Rain plus bow makes rainbow. Leaf, stick. Leaf plus stick makes lipstick. Cow, boy. Cow plus boy makes cowboy. Gold, fish. Gold plus fish makes goldfish. Star, fish. Star plus fish makes starfish. Rain, coat. Rain plus coat makes raincoat. Mail, box. Mail plus box makes mailbox. Space, sheep. Space plus sheep makes spaceship. Pen, cake. Pen plus cake makes pancake. Hand, bag. Hand plus bag makes handbag. Basket, ball. Basket plus ball makes basketball. Sun, flower. Sun plus flower makes sunflower. Cup, cake. Cup plus cake makes cupcake. Tea, pot. Tea plus pot makes teapot. Foot, ball. Foot plus ball makes football. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.